build your own application without writing a single line of code by using only ChatGPT. So this is my prompt where you can able to get it from the YouTube description, and let's click on that upload, and here you can see I am building movie web application using HTML, CSS, JS and Bootstrap. So first we need to create an index.html file. This is a user page. So let's create an HTML and it started generate the entire code. So you can able to see that our index.html code is fully completed. So I'm going to paste here. And next we have to create an admin.html where admin will upload the movies and user can able to see it. And we'll put here, and it is still generating the code. It's completed. So I will paste it here. Admin.html. So you can able to see here we built our application. So first we will run the index.html code. So you can able to see here there is no any movies here, still not yet uploaded by our admin. So let's move to admin.html. So here is where we can able to upload our movie here. So first we need to enter movie which URL. So first I will upload a movie name. For an example, I'm going to upload a Kohli movie. Image, and you can able to see here. I will copy this image link and I will paste it here. And I'm going to give a movie title as Kohli movie. And then I want to give a description about it. So for description, here you can able to see here, like I will just copy paste from here only. Then I will paste here. And rating I will give 4.5 for this. And movie download or watch link. So I will go to the YouTube. Also you can able to give a original movie link also, but I don't have it, so I'm going to give a link for this from the YouTube only. You can able to see here. Copy this link. Do that. First I will just copy this link. Then we'll come here and we'll paste here. So next, upload the movie. So after uploading it, I think it has been uploaded. So we'll come to index.html where the user can able to see this. So you can able to see here our movie application is particularly working perfectly and it don't have any errors in it. So also if user want to download it, it will redirect to the particular movie and you can able to upload this, and you can able to do, you can also build your own application by using this. Also you can able to see here our responsiveness is working perfectly also. Okay, let's upload another movie file and check is it working or not. So now I will upload the master coming movie on this. So first we'll search in the Google. We'll search for this and you can able to see this is our best thumbnail. So I will select this one and copy the image link. We'll come here and we'll paste here. So movie title, master movie, and description you can able to get from the here only. Yes, here it is. Just copy it and you can paste here only. And rating I will give 5 for this. and watch link, you can able to use the here particular YouTube link, or you can able to give any other link as well. So I will searching for that particular movie. Yes, here it is. I will just copy it and then we'll come to admin panel. We'll paste the link here and upload the movie. The movie has been uploaded and just refresh it. Yes, you can able to see here the movie has been uploaded and also it is looking perfectly. So let's add some new features for this. So for an example, I want to add a search bar for this. If we search master movie, it should come only master movie, not the coolie movie. So let's add that. So let's come to ChatGPT and tell it. So I found it here. I want to add a search bar where if I want to search a particular movie, it should show only the particular movie only. So let's give the prompt here and let's do what it will. So you can able to see that it gave the entire code once again, where with the search bar and with the filters. And you can able to see here there is no any search bar applications here. And it's perfectly alright. So this is our movie world and this is our inspect section where you can able to inspect it. And this is for the mobiles as views. And this is for the small mobiles, bit larger mobiles. This is for tablets view and this is for our laptop view. And just wait until the code has been completed. So I think the code has been completed right now. And just copy it and just will come to here and paste it in index.html. So I pasted here and you can able to see here the search bar is updated. So I will search for the coolie movie. So you can see here the coolie movie has came, and also you can able to download it and also you can able to watch it. So this is our application. I hope you like this video. If you want the source code, I will give it in the comment box. You can able to download and you can able to use it. So thank you for watching this video. And if you need any help, you can able to comment it. And if you want any new application, just comment it and I will do that particular topic on this. So thank you for watching this video.